Dear students, this is the art question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Solve the following equation. Again, here we have to solve the equation. First one is 2 into bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. Whenever you have to solve any equation, only one thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to separate the variables from the constant. You have to find the value of the variables. Okay, so see over here, what is given? 2 into bracket x plus 4. 2 into bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. It means over here 2 is related with the x and 2 is related with the 4. Okay, 2 is related with the x and 2 is related with the 4 because over here bracket is given and outer 2 is there. Any sign is between them? No. It means they having the relation of multiplication. Okay, so just check. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. If we want to direct take this side, okay, if we will do x plus 4 as it is, 12 as it is, here what is the relation? Multiplication. Side change, sign change, it will be division. Understood, students? Okay, then x plus 4 is equal to, now you can cut 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. 2 will cut. What is the remaining? 6. In the denominator 1 we are not mentioning. Understood? Now again x is with the constant. Okay, here one number is there. So x as it is, 6 also as it is. Side change, sign change. Here what is the relation? Addition, then sign change, it will be subtraction. So therefore x is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So here value of x is equal to 2. Again one method I am just showing you, you can do anyway, but this one is easiest. X is equal to x plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, x into bracket, 2 into bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. Here 2 is related with the x also and 4 also. Okay, we know these things because into bracket given and over here 2 written, it means is related with the both number. So 2 multiply with the x, it means 2x. Then 2 multiply with the 4, it is 8. Which sign we have to keep over here? Whatever is given over here. Okay, so here addition. Understood this thing? 12 as it is. Now make it separate. 2x as it is, 12 as it is. What is the relation? Addition, sign change, sign change. So 12 minus 8. 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Again 2 and x are together. Make it separate. What is the relation? Yes, multiplication. Side change, sign change. So x is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2 cancel. What is the remaining? 2 only. So x is equal to 2. Both the ways, students, answers are same, but here small number, that's why it's easy to multiply. Whenever bigger numbers are there, so here chances of the mistake. So I suggest you have to follow this method. It's not compulsory you have to follow these only, you can follow these also. Okay, so it's totally depend on you. Any method you can follow, but what I want, proper method, step by step. Here therefore under therefore, here equal under equal, like this way you have to write. See students, I am just standing and writing, so my handwriting is not proper, I have no any supports, so it's little tough for me to write like this way, but you try to write best in your notebook. Now next one, D1. Okay, with the negative number we are solving. Just see, what is a D1? Negative 4 into bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. Okay, so here my 4 is related with the 2 and x, but we are following our first method, 2 plus x as it is 8 as it is. What is the relation? Multiplication. Don't think over here, yeah, it's the negative. Here we have to check what is the negative is a sign of 4. 4 is a negative number, but what is the relation with the 4 and 2 plus x? Okay, so here it is a multiplication, side change, sign change. Here negative 4, so we have to take here also as a negative 4 only. Understood? Don't students think like this way, yes, it is a negative, side change, sign change, and then you will do 8 plus 4. Then your answer will be wrong. Okay, so here negative 4. Again 2 plus x as it is. 4 2s are 8. Okay, you can do direct cut like this way. Either you have to do 4 2s are and 4 1s are. 4 4 cut. What is the remaining? 2. You can do like this way also. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. 2. But which 2? We learn these things in our integer chapter. Okay, for the division or multiplication, one time negative number is there, it means our answer is negative. So here x is equal to negative 2, side change, sign change. What is the relation? Plus. You have to observe this relation, okay? Plus, side change, sign change. So it will be negative 2. Now x is equal to minus minus. Yes, plus. So 2 plus 2, 4. But which sign we have to put? Bigger one. But here both the number are same. So we have to keep the negative sign. So our answer is x is equal to negative 4. This is our solution of an equation. So please students try to do like this way, and now remaining sums you have to solve by yourself. Thank you.